Let me be brutally honest. AI is replacing full-time jobs faster than most people realize. But the scary part? The people who understand these tools will make more money than the jobs they replace. So today, I'm showing you 5 AI tools that will replace real jobs in 2026 and how you can use them to earn instead of getting replaced. Trust me, you don't want to click away. You're watching The Bright Mind Show, where I help you stay ahead in the AI revolution. Let's jump straight in. AI Video Editor. Tools like Pika Labs, CapCut AI, and Runway Gen 2 are replacing traditional video editors. They can create cinematic B-roll, add clean transitions, and remove backgrounds with ease. These tools also auto-sync voice and generate entire scenes from text prompts. A video that used to take 5 hours now takes 5 minutes. People are already earning on Fiverr as AI video editors, charging $25 to $200 per project. AI writing assistants. ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are replacing copywriters for emails, blog posts, and product descriptions. They also generate compelling ad copy and social media content. You don't even need to be a good writer. The AI does 90% of the work. People are selling AI-generated blogs for $15 to $50 each, all automated. AI customer support agents. AI chatbots are replacing live chat and support center workers. Platforms like Tidio AI, Intercom AI, and Zendesk AI can answer customer questions and solve problems instantly. They can also recommend products and process refunds efficiently. Businesses are switching because AI is faster and cheaper. But guess what? You can offer AI customer support setup services for $50 to $300 per client. AI graphic designers. Midjourney, Ideogram, Canva AI, and Adobe Firefly are replacing many graphic design tasks. These tools create social media designs, posters, thumbnails, and logos. They also generate product mock-ups with incredible detail. A beginner with AI tools can deliver designs in minutes. On Fiverr, AI-assisted designers are earning $30 to $150 per project with zero manual skills. AI voice and avatar creators. This one is exploding fast. Platforms like HeyGen, 11 Labs, and Synthesia can create talking avatars and realistic voiceovers. They also produce high-quality training videos and explainer videos. This used to require cameras, microphones, lights, and a studio. Now you just type text and download the video. People are selling faceless AI videos for $20 to $300 each. These tools aren't just replacing jobs. They're creating new opportunities for anyone willing to learn. If you understand how to use AI, you're not competing with people. You're competing with automation, and that gives you a massive advantage. Instead of being replaced, use these tools to offer services, build your brand, and make money online. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, comment AI Revolution, and subscribe for more AI money-making guides. And if you want the next video, just comment next. Thanks for watching.